Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming NFC is enabled and your phone's OS is up to date. This ensures contactless payments work reliably. Next, open Google Wallet and tap Add a Payment Method to begin. Scan your card with the camera or type the numbers manually, then follow bank verification, which may send a code or prompt the bank app. Once verified, Google Wallet stores a secure token, not your raw card number, so payments remain safer at checkout. Once your card is added, make it the default in wallet settings so the right card appears when you tap. You should enable a screen lock and, if available, biometric unlock. This prevents unauthorized charges if you lose the phone. When paying, unlock then tap the phone to the terminal or choose Wallet in an app. The phone uses a tokenized number for security. Make sure the terminal shows contactless or NFC. If not, select manual or try another reader. You can add transit passes and loyalty cards for one-stop access. Tap Add, choose Transit or Loyalty, then follow the issuer prompts. When boarding or using rewards, open Wallet and present the pass. Many systems accept background taps for speed. If a payment fails, first try restarting the phone and checking NFC. If that fails, remove and re-add the card and confirm with your bank. As a final tip, make sure the merchant terminal accepts contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.